Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Next Toppers app not working problem on your phone. So many users have reported that they were not able to access what you have to do is first you have to check the server status of the app. So check if there is any server related problem, because this problem is going from last 2 to 3 days. So if there is any technical issue, you just have to wait for some time and after that try to access. Next is to force stop the app. For that, click and hold the app icon over here. Now click on app info and then click on force stop, then click on OK. So after you have done this, check if the app is working or not. If not, you should clear the cache of the app. For that, click on storage. Now click on clear cache. Once you have done this, now try to open the game and then check if it's working. If not, you should check if the app needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Next Toppers app, and then now here you have to check if there is any update available. If yes, update your app to the latest version, and after that launch it and then check whether the error that you are coming across is resolved or not. If not, then you have to wait for some time unless it gets resolved, or you can also access the app from the website directly. For that, you have to go to Google, search for Next Toppers, open the website, and from here you can access, if possible, the whatever the courses you are not able to access. So by this way you can resolve the problem that you are coming across on the Next Toppers app. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.